I've been journaling all my trades for all the weeks. Now I feel comfortable and I feel confident to trade another day. It's a process. So don't be in a hurry. It will take time. Okay. And the one thing I will tell you that always have a mindset like a longer term vision. Just follow the process and you will be profitable. Trading is a very
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
yeah, that's immediately.
Awesome. So, do you want to get started by telling everyone a bit about your background? So, how long ago you found trading and how you discovered it?
Yes, yes. Actually, it's been approx 4 to 5 years now. Currently, I'm 21. So when I was in my 11th standard, I found that there is something called trading. You predict the charts and make money. For the first 2 and 3 years, I traded in the Indian stock market. But after some time, my friend told me like there is forex market, so you can make good money here with the help of leverage. So I traded for approx 1 year with my own funds on my own broker. But the issue I was getting there was like I used to risk so much. Uh, because of that, I blew my all accounts, and then I took approx 1 month break. Then I came to know about platforms. Then I took 5K and 10K challenges. Then I passed some, failed some, and approx 1 year now. Currently, I'm following the same strategy, and I'm funded with Think Capital and other firms also. And yeah, on passing other challenges of other firms also.
Amazing. You're very lucky that you found trading at such a young age.
Yeah, yeah, but nowadays younger ones are also coming in trading.
Yeah. Amazing. Cool. I love that. So, how long have you been trading with Think Capital for?
It's been from the year start on Jan 2025. I found Think Capital and I bought account of 100K on Feb. So yeah, it's been 5 to 6 months.
Amazing. Cool. And how would you explain your trading strategy to someone who's new to trading?
My trading strategy is a bit simple. I go with the trend on the higher time frame
Mm,
and look for entry signals on the lower time frames with the help of support and resistance.
nice.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. I am a swing trader, not a day trader or a scalper. So I take only 2 to 3 trades in a week.
Amazing. Okay, cool. Did you used to take a lot more trades? Is that something that you've discovered works better for you later on in your journey? Or have you always taken like two to three trades?
Previously, I used to don't follow a single strategy.
Mm,
I didn't stick to a single. I always jumped from intraday to scalping, then swing trading. I didn't have something called journal. I I was totally messed up. So from 1 year, I am following a single strategy and sticking to it.
amazing. I love that. Cool. And what is your risk strategy? So, whenever you're taking, a couple of trades a week, how much are you risking per trade?
Yeah, my risk management is also pretty disciplined. In the starting of the month only, I fix my risk per trade for the whole month. Like currently, I'm risking 0.5% in funded accounts
Okay.
and 1 or 2% in challenge periods. So I will use this risk for the whole month.
Amazing. So you're more conservative in the funded stage, which is why you got the results. A lot of people are, they're risk cautious in the evaluation, and then on funded they get excited and over leverage. So this is a really good way to go, I think, for anyone.
Just because when you get really funded, that you should be focusing on more funded accounts to pass and allocate more funds like
Mm,
your backup, then you can start taking more risk.
yeah,
That's what I will do. What's my future plan is.
amazing. And when you're trading within Capital, which platforms do you use? So do you use TradingView, MetaTrader?
Yeah, I use TradingView for my analysis and for executions, I only use MT5.
So, do you use any indicators or metrics on your screen when you're making your decisions, or is it just like supply and demand zones, support and resistance?
It's a 90% price action, but yeah, I use a 50 EMA for more added confidence. But I
Yeah,
don't use indicators much. I need my charts clean.
yeah. And did you start off trading with indicators? Is this something you've also discovered on your journey that works best?
Um, yeah, I can say I used to trade with many indicators, but from time to time, I learned like the more the chart your clean is, the more the clean your chart is, the better will be your decisions.
Yeah,
So I don't use the grids also, and the volume also I have removed. Only 50 EMA and support resistance. That's all on my chart.
amazing. And I think a lot of people watching this, a lot of people early on in their trading journey are quite prone to overtrading. So I think this is really valuable that you only take 2 to 3 trades a week. So for anyone's that's watching and wants to adopt that type of discipline, what is your process? What does it look like? Like how long per day do you spend checking charts? Do you use alerts? How often are you at your screen?
Yeah, actually, my week starts on Sundays.
Mhm.
I analyze all my list of pairs on Sunday and select 6 to 7 pairs and make another watch list. Then the coming week, I only focus on the 6 to 7 pairs only, and I forgot about other pairs. Then I set alerts on the supports or resistance. If the price hits that level, I wait for my entry confirmation on lower time frame. Then I take the trades and set the SL and TP, and then I don't care about market.
Amazing. And what are you looking for when you're finding those 6 to 7 pairs? Are you looking for trend in markets or
Yeah, I'm looking for the market structure, the clean, how clean is the market structure on the bigger time frames like weekly, daily, 4 hour. The clean the structure, I make the zones accordingly.
amazing? And do you have maybe a pair, 2 pairs that are your favorite, or does it not matter to you as long as it's
No,
trending?
it doesn't matter to me actually. The market is very different. Low. So if some month JPY pair will move, the other month other currency will move. So I
Mm,
only focus on price action. The better the price action in some pair, I will trade that. I don't care about it.
cool. And have you always looked at a lot of pairs, or is this something you've learned later that works
Yeah,
best?
it's actually a part of my strategy.
Mm,
So I've been following this whole process for a year now, and I've journaled all things that this thing to follow, this to not follow. And yeah, I'm comfortable in this strategy, so I'm following this.
and cool. And yeah, so we just talked about process, how long you spend at your screen, starting your week on Sunday, etc. Do you have anything in your daily routine, such as maybe, keeping a trading journal, maybe reviewing your trades from the day or the week, back testing? Do you have any processes in place that helps you with your
Yes,
strategy?
yes. Yes, yes, 100%. I have been journaling approx 8 months now. I have 30 weeks data of
Mm,
my the strategy. Like from week 1 to week 30, I've been journaling all my trades for all the weeks. Now I feel comfortable and I feel confident to trade another trade.
amazing.
Journaling is the key.
Yeah, so you find that journaling your trades has really helped.
Yes, yes, 100%.
Yeah, and would you advise people who don't journal to do it?
Yeah, you have to journal. No other choice. If you want to be successful, you should journal at least for 1 or 2 years to be confident so you don't feel demotivated. Something like if you face a losing streak also of 2 to 3 weeks, like you know that after 2 months you will end up profitable. You know your strategy well.
Yeah, I completely agree. And how do you keep your journal? Is it in a physical notebook, a Word document, automated? What's your
Yeah,
process?
it's in my folder only, a digital format, Excel and something like that.
Okay, cool. Nice. And do you do anything that helps to keep your mindset in check? For example, like listen to podcasts, read books, like do you look outside for
Currently not, but previously I used to. read books, not books, but yeah, I used to watch podcasts, which helped me in the start. But currently, I'm focusing on my own strategy and following my discipline.
So do you feel like now that you have a system in place that works for you, you know what you're doing, you've got the discipline, do you feel like you don't really need to, learn as much now, you can kind of just repeat?
Yeah, currently I'm very much confident on my strategy. So I'm
Yeah.
currently focusing on same goal of scaling in and using funded accounts to scale in and like get payout. So yeah, that's my current state,
Mm,
and I'm confident.
amazing. I love that. Good. And what would you say has been your biggest challenge that you've had to overcome on your journey?
Yeah, the biggest challenge was to not stick to a particular strategy.
Mm,
Yeah, I used to follow many gurus on YouTube and stuff, but I was not sticking to a single one. I used to trade with one strategy for 1 or 2 months, then change to another, then change to another. But after time losses, I think that it will not go too far. So I stick to a single strategy, and it's been a year now. I'm only trading a single strategy, and currently I'm profitable and have a good accuracy.
cool. I feel like a lot of people share that experience where they learn a lot of different strategies. What made you decide on the one that you use now? So, what influenced your decision from all the strategies you had that you thought, right, this is the one I'm going
Yeah, it actually depends on like if you are very impatient or patient. Uh, you only know from inner side, like you are a day trader or you are a scalper or you are a swing trader. It will take time to decide to know what suits you best. So it took me approx 2 years to know that swing trading is best for me
to.
and I am profitable in it. I've journal it, like I will follow this. So yeah, it will take time and you should know from inner yourself that what suits you best.
Mm. Amazing. So basically just getting to know yourself, using self-awareness. Yeah, because if you're impatient, you know, forcing a swing trading strategy isn't going to suit your style. Um, or if you have a really busy schedule, scalping isn't going to suit your schedule. Yeah. So, what advice would you give to traders that are currently in their first 6 months to 1 year?
Yeah, it's pretty simple. Like it's a process. So don't be in hurry.
Mm,
It will take time. Okay. And the one thing I will tell you that always have a mindset like a longer term vision. Don't focus on 1 or 2 or 3 days. Don't focus on monthly basis. Always think like it's a profession. Okay, so think like that. I have to do this for 5 years, 10 years. Always focus on skill. Don't go behind money. Money will come. If you focus on skill, that's what I'm thinking.
focus on process over profits, and then the profits will come. I love that. Amazing. And so how has your experience been with Think Capital so far?
Yeah, it's been a great experience. It's a very traders friendly firm, and your Discord is also amazing. I didn't get any problem now on payouts or anything. I get everything on time. And yes, you are very, your firm is very good regards of traders. Like you are taking interviews of beginner traders like me also. So yeah, it's a very good initiative and I loved it.
Good. And you mentioned the Discord there. So are you active in the live sessions that the Discord put out?
No, currently I didn't saw that.
Yeah, you should check it out. I think there's a live session every Friday, focused around trading psychology, processes and stuff. So for anyone watching that wants, a bit
Okay,
of additional,
definitely. Work on
yeah,
planning.
they're really good. We have guest speakers and stuff in, trading psychologists. So definitely recommend checking that out. It's completely free. And yeah, that's all the questions I have for you. If there's anything you'd like to add.
No, nothing much. Just follow the process and you will be profitable. Trading is a very good business if you take it as a business.
Mm,
So don't gamble.
amazing. Great advice. Well, it was lovely to meet you. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm sure we'll catch up real soon.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye.
Have a good day. Bye.